Alright, so this tutorial is fairly simple. You're going to grab a piece of aluminum foil, ball it up, and then unravel it. The unraveled aluminum foil is going to mimic the cracks in ice. Once you have unraveled your aluminum foil, you're just going to set it off to the side, and then we're going to begin laying the acrylic. So I am laying my acrylic on a swatch stick. I know some of you guys are looking to do this on yourself or a client, and that's perfectly fine. The same steps will apply. So once the acrylic is laid, we're going to go ahead and grab that piece of aluminum foil. I'm selecting a spot that just looks, the best, and I'm going to rub some oil onto that spot that I selected. You can also use Monomer if you don't have any oil handy. Then I'm going to flip over that foil, and on that spot where that oil or that Monomer is, I'm going to press it into the nail. It is important to rub oil or Monomer on the foil so that it does not stick to the nail. If you do not do this, the foil is just going to stick and the effect will be ruined. So once that's done, you just lift up the foil and voila. So now I'm just going to take my brush and I'm going to smooth out the sides if I can. It was very warm in my house, so the acrylic has pretty much set, but I'm still attempting to smooth it out as much as possible anyway. If it sets and you can't just reshape everything, just file it off when it's time to file and shape that nail. Just a quick tip: before you place your foil or even saran wrap to do the ice effect, it is very important to make sure that you allow the acrylic to set just a little bit. And this is so that this is so the acrylic doesn't slide off or go anywhere when you're placing down that foil or saran wrap. So let it set just for a moment, You don't want it to set completely, but allow it to get a little stiff before you place that foil on there. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to the next step. Before I encapsulate this design, I'm going to apply a gel top coat onto the design. And I'm doing this because without this step, I find that just going straight into the encapsulation, that clear acrylic seeps into the cracks of the design and completely takes away the effect. So to prevent that from happening, I apply the gel top coat first, and then I'm going to cure it, and then I'm going to encapsulate. And once the acrylic has dried, you can go ahead and file and shape the nail. I am applying the gel top coat on the top as well as underneath so that you can really see that ice effect. And I'm going to go ahead and cure it, and that will be the end of this nail tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was super helpful. It's winter season, so I know you guys love this ice effect.